Umholi weDemocratic Alliance uJohn Steenhuisen uchaza kabanzi ukuthi kungani bengayanga emahhovisi eNersa noma endlini zoMbuso ePitoli beyokhala ngenkinga yogesi kunalokho baye ekomkhulu leANC iLuthuli House.
When you have a problem, you go to the root cause of the problem and you address it at the root cause of the problem. We don't have an Eskom problem. We don't have a NERSA problem.
IDemocratic Alliance ithi uma ingabuyele emandleni izinto izoguquka.
We are ready to take back our power to the people. Best you hear us and watch this space. We warn you because it is pregnant with possibility.
Okhulumeli iANC kuzwelonke uPulemabi uthi lento eyenziwa iDA iyadida.
They are provocative, opportunistic, and effectively grandstanding. So they must stop doing that. It looks like this is a performance measure for DA leaders. My man tried, maybe Steenhuisen at the conference very soon. He's also trying to show some funny courage that doesn't exist.
Ngingu Calvin wakwadludla eindabeni zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.